Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your Bluehost hosting dashboard. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a professional website, accessing your dashboard is essential for maintaining your online presence. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Navigate to the Bluehost website. In the address bar, type in the URL www.bluehost.com and press enter. This will take you to the Bluehost homepage. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once you're on the Bluehost homepage, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your domain or email address. On the login page, you will see a field prompting you to enter your domain name or email address associated with your Bluehost account. Type it in and click on the Next button. Step 5. Input your password. After entering your email or domain, you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure to input it accurately to avoid login errors. Step 6. Click on the Login button. Once you've filled in your password, click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Step 7. Two-factor authentication, if applicable. If you have enabled two-factor authentication on your account, you will receive a verification code on your registered mobile device. Enter the code in the provided field and click Submit. Step 8. Access your Bluehost dashboard. Congratulations! After logging in, you will be directed to your Bluehost hosting dashboard, where you can manage your websites, domain names, emails, and much more. That's all there is to it. Logging into your Bluehost hosting dashboard is quick and straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.